Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how we can format a cell. Formatting means to make a cell or a document or a spreadsheet more attractive and presentable. Like if we want to change color, change font, alignment, all these are formatting feature. You can apply this formatting feature in the spreadsheet also. If you want to format a spreadsheet, then first you select the cell or the cell range which you want to format. You can select the cell by clicking on this, or you can select a cell range by dragging the mouse over the cell, or if you want to select entire row or entire column or entire spreadsheet, then you can do also. The shortcut key for selecting the entire row in which your cursor is present, that is the active cell is there, then there is a shortcut key of shift plus spacebar. It will select the entire row in which the cursor is present. If you want to select the entire column, then there is control plus spacebar. It will select the column in which the active cell is present. And if you want to select the entire spreadsheet, then the shortcut key is control plus A. So before formatting the cell, first you need to select it. After that, on the home tab, you will find this option. Here you can change the font. Here you can change the size of the font. Here you can make the text bold, italic, underline. It is used to fill the cell. It is used to change the color of the text. It is to increase the size of the content by 1 point. It is used to decrease the size of the text by 1 point. This is used to provide border to the cell or the rows and columns. So first you place the cursor over here, and if you want to change the color of the text, then simply choose the color by clicking on this drop down arrow, and you can choose any of the color according to your choice. Now applying borders. If you want to place a border around the selected cell, then border can be applied by using this border drop down button. It is available here on the home tab. This is the border drop down button. When you click on this drop down button, it will show you different types of borders which you can apply for the cell. Choose any of the type which you want to have and just click on that. The border will be applied automatically. And if you want to apply the border in customized format, then at the end you will find the option. Look at here, at the end you will find the option more borders. Click on this more borders. It will let you move to a different window. Here, from here you can select the type of the border, the color of the border, and the format of the border. Means if you want to place the border around the selected cell or in between also, or top, bottom, left, means you can customize the border setting from this option. After applying the setting, just click on OK button. Whatever format you have applied, that will be implemented on the selected cell. Now filling cell colors in cell. If you want to fill some color in the selected cells, then first you need to select the cell. After selecting the cell, on the home tab you will find fill button. If you click on this fill button, it will show you the color themes. You can select any of the color themes of your choice, and if you want to more color, apply more color over here, then click on this more color. It will move to the next window, which will ask you to select any of the color or pattern according to your choice. You can choose it, and the color which you selected, that will be implemented on the selected cells. Now this is all about the Excel which is given in your syllabus. We will continue the Excel in next class. Thank you.